Right now, you're looking at a sentiment score of minus 0.60, a stark drop from our historical baseline, which suggests a significant shift in finance sentiment. This isn't just noise. It indicates mounting pessimism that could impact decision-making. With a momentum score of plus 0.30, you're seeing a counterintuitive uptick in positive movement, perhaps a short-term rebound amidst broader negativity. Our API returns this nuanced sentiment data alongside 19 semantic clusters, providing you with a rich context for analysis. Imagine integrating this into your trading algorithms to refine entry and exit points based on sentiment shifts. Ready to dig deeper? Check out the full documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's leverage this data to make informed decisions.